Okay, so this is a voiceover. So basically, in this challenge, I have to guess the number in less than 200 seconds, it was, I think. Yeah. And I did do this, although there was some errors after 200 seconds, I believe. Maybe not. I honestly forget, but you should be able to see that because you can see how long the video's been. Okay, so yeah, right now I imported the random module and I generated a number, made a count variable, which you'll see later on what it does, and then made num guesses none, so it doesn't say num guesses are not defined, made the while loop, and in that while loop prompt the user to guess the number. And I made some pretty silly mistakes near the end. Like, I wasn't even paying attention. When it said the number was too low, I entered numbers even lower. I was not paying attention whatsoever. So yeah, too high. So we're just saying, like, this part of the program is just saying if the number is basically greater than the number it is, then print too high, otherwise print too low. I'm a pretty slow typer too. Or at least a slower programmer. Yeah, make sure to watch the end to make sure to see those funny silly mistakes I made at the end. So yeah, now this last line is just, maybe the second last line is just saying to print the amount of tries it took you, but I was not thinking, and I put seconds instead of tries, which is funny. And see, it says too high, but then I enter lower numbers. And then also there's a typo in the variable, so it doesn't know what it is. Yeah, that was a really silly mistake. When it said too high, I entered lower numbers. Oh wait, that's what I'm supposed to do. Now I'm not thinking in the voiceover. But then the funny thing is I forgot to make it add 1 to the count when I get it wrong. And I just put seconds instead of guesses, which is really silly. I made a lot of funny mistakes, but I was just trying to get it done as soon as possible. This is what happens when you're stressed. Oh, here's where I made the funny mistake. So it said too low, and then I kept entering lower numbers. Here